You can place text within your slides by creating text boxes. Text boxes are rectangular areas that define how and where text should be contained. To insert a text box into a slide, first click on the Insert menu. Next, click on Text Box. Now, click anywhere on the slide where you want the text box to appear. As you can see, the text box has been inserted. You can click on any of the blue squares and drag them to resize the text box. Any text you type inside the box will be contained in its area. In the action bar, you will find text formatting options that allow you to adjust how the text appears. You can adjust the font and size, apply styles such as bold, italics, underline, and color. If you want to actually edit the text inside the text box, you can double-click on the text box and begin editing the text.